Hello again, this is Barry McCormick. Welcome to our BastilleBSD series of tutorials. Um, Today I'm going to talk about targeting jails and about starting, stopping, restarting, just in general how you interact with your jails to start them and stop them. If you look here, I have the documentation up. Before we start looking at start and stop and restart, I want to go to a section called targeting. In Bastille, you can put all in all capital letters and say all, and that will do whatever the command. You can Bastille start all. I will show that here in a minute. You can do Bastille stop all. It'll stop all your containers. So you can do all, or if you put them in quotes, you can put, if you look here where it says here, Bastille command, jail 1, jail 2, jail 3. If you put them in quotes, you can give it a list and it interact only with those jails. So you could tell it to start jail 1, 3, and 5. Or you could stop 2, 4, and 6. Or any combination thereof. So I wanted to bring this up in the documentation, so if you forget what your options are, the section on targeting goes into it. Okay, so now we go back and go into the commands. Let's look at start. Very complicated command. Bastille start, jail name. That's all there is to it. If you do Bastille start, you'll see you have the options boot, delay value, verbose, and debug. The delay value tells it time to wait between starting each jail. So if you have jails that are dependent upon the previous one starting and you want it to give it a few seconds to boot, you can do a delay. Verbose and debug obviously gives you much more details. If I go to stop, same exact format, Bastille stop and jail name. Again, you can do Bastille stop all, Bastille stop, and then a list in quotes. Same thing, delay value, verbose, debug, boot. I go to restart. You're going to see a similar format. All the same things apply. So we've looked at the at boot, stop, start, and restart. Now then, let's go in and actually run some of these commands. Okay, got my terminal up here. You'll look and see I have 6 jails sitting here, and they're all stopped. Okay, I'm gonna start one. Bastille start test 1. Notice that test 1 is up now. Now, if I wanted to bring them all up, notice it's going through, and when it got to test 1, it said, hey, this one's already running, which is fine. Now, if I do Bastille list all, everything is up. Oh, I need to restart test 1. Notice it says removed, then created it. So that's the equivalent of rebooting it. Now it's up. Now if I want to restart all of them, it's going to go through and shut down and restart every last one of them. Oh, well, I need to stop clone 1B and test 2. Notice it shut down test 2 and it shut down clone 1B. That was the only 2 jails that did anything. Now if I do a Bastille list all, you'll notice that test 1 is down, or excuse me, test 2 is down, and clone 1B is down. Everything else is up and has an IP address. So you can start, stop, and restart one jail, multiple jails, or all jails. So if you look at this, it should be fairly self-explanatory. Again, you can always go to the documentation and look it up. And as I always say, you can type Bastille and then any command, and it will give you the help right in the console. That way you don't have to go hunting through the documentation. If you just, like myself, sometimes you forget, okay, what are the options? Very quick way to get them. Hopefully this gives you a quick down and dirty how to start, stop, and restart jails. Hopefully this was beneficial to you. Happy computing.